The smallest member of the Miramar family is big on amenities, and that's why the 32.2 is the Thor Motor Coach featured floor plan.
A spin around your new home shows off all the features and comforts you could ask for. In the 32.2, you have this nice campside dinette. And because we always need a space to put our belongings, this shelf makes the perfect place. Across the aisle, your cozy sofa. The swivel captain's chairs with coffee table round out your living area seating. No matter where you are, the TV with Blu-ray player is always ready to entertain. At night, the dinette and sofa quickly make into beds, and the Miramar 32.2 comes standard with the drop-down bunk. The Miramar provides you with this fully equipped kitchen featuring solid surface countertops surrounding a stainless steel sink, 2-burner electric induction cooktop, convection microwave, and residential refrigerator with ice maker. In the bedroom, the 32.2 comes standard with a king-size bed, a large nightstand with charging station, spacious closets, and the Miramar is prepped for a stackable washer and dryer. Your bath features a large skylight over the shower with glass door, stainless steel sink with roomy countertops, and the 360 siphon ensures your bathroom is always fresh. With the app-enabled multiplex wiring system, the Miramar can be set up and monitored from your mobile device. Slides, climates, lights, even setting up your auto-gen start is done with ease, and the Miramar is prepped for solar charging. The Miramar is powered by a Triton V10 with 320 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque, so when you're in the driver's seat, you can easily cruise to your destination. The 10-inch touchscreen with your backup and side view camera monitor, navigation, dash radio, and Bluetooth connectivity keeps you entertained and informed. On the passenger side, a flip-up workstation with 12-volt and 110-volt outlets is a great place to stream a movie or even surf the web when you're connected to the Wi-Fi Ranger Wi-Fi extender. The great times continue outside. The Miramar provides you with a power patio with LED lighting, TV with Bluetooth soundbar on a swivel. The large storage bays with basement pass-through storage are easy to access, and the exterior propane connection makes it easy to show off your barbecue skills. Big adventures are just a Miramar away. This is the Miramar 32.2. Explore more at thormotorcoach.com.